Today I'll be showing you how to make this darling little favor box. It's made using our favor box die cut, and I've already run that through my die cutting machine and I have this cut out ready to go. On the bottom of the box you'll notice there are two little slits, and that's for you to thread your ribbon through, just like that, so that it stays put on your box. So I have a piece of white daisy ribbon, and I cut about a 20-inch strip, which is going to leave me just a tiny bit left over to trim the edges at the very end. The next step is to fold on all the score lines, and the die cut makes all those great lines for you. So we'll fold those quickly. There are score lines in each of the places that you need to fold. The next step is to add our adhesive. I'll just bring my Versamat in here so we don't get any adhesive on our table. And it's important to remember that you're going to add your adhesive to the side that you actually want showing. So we'll add a little bit of adhesive to each of just these little flaps. Then we'll begin assembling our box. I'll start right here at the bottom, and because we've already folded it, it's easy to just fold it right into its shape. These last two you have to put in at the same time. And there you go, you have your box ready to assemble. The next part you need to know is how to close the top. And obviously you'll probably want to add a little treat before you do this part. You'll want to fold in the two side flaps that don't have holes in them first. Then you'll take your ribbon, come up to the top, and you'll go in the bottom hole and then back out the top hole. You'll do the same on the other side, in the bottom hole and back out the top hole, and then here's where the magic happens. You're going to take the second one that you just pulled through, and we'll start to fold it. Then we will take that one and also put it through that top hole on the first side, which closes our box. And then it's ready to tie into a cute little bow or knot or whatever you prefer, so that you end up with a cute box just like this one. You're welcome to embellish your box any way you want. We used another couple of our dies. This is our thin cut circle dies that are stitched, and our star die. We call them thin cuts. And there you go, a great little box for any party that you can imagine. Enjoy making your favor box.